Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha's Max Anstie has given us a update from his injury that happened right there. If you missed that, that was back in the qualifying for the Birmingham round of the Monster Energy Supercross in March, and he sustained a broken fibula from that crash. Now, as of an update, or as from his update, we have a quote saying, "We tried our best following the doctor's orders, and sometimes these things don't go to plan. With that said, in the time frame given, the bone just didn't progress as expected, and now the best plan of action is to get it fixed in Vail. I'll be back for the end of summer and SMX." Now, that sucks. I mean, you've been March, April, May, 2 months of time of healing, I guess you'd want to call it, or trying to heal, and apparently it didn't work. Now, as far as I remember, back after this injury happened, he put out, no, it doesn't require surgery. We're just going to let it heal. And obviously, like I said, that didn't work. And that sucks for him. I mean, to miss 2 months of Supercross. I mean, if he'd had that injury, gotten the surgery, let's say the week after, whatever, he would be already 2 months into the healing process, probably pretty close to being back on the bike, and at most would maybe miss, half of the season, a few rounds at best, maybe. Now he's going to have surgery 2 months after the healing. I guess you'd want to call it healing, after the injury and subsequent sort of healing. So it's going to be even worse, I guess you kind of say. It's already broken. It's already healed a little bit. They're going to have to re-break it and then pin it. I don't know what they're actually going to do. I'm not a doctor, so who knows what that happens there. But there's 2 months of wasted time. And there's all of outdoors wasted after what looked like a really good Supercross season, looked like a, competitive Supercross season, Supercross or competitive year. 2 months of wasted time. Now the whole summer is going to be wasted time. It's just one of those things that it's not exactly the best thing for him. And at 32 years old, he's not getting any younger, still in the 250 class. It's kind of one of those things that some of these guys are just getting stuck there for their whole careers, whether that's by choice, they don't want to move up, they can't move up. I mean, obviously, it's the win a title and defend and then move up rule now. You don't have a point out, so it's kind of what should be the, I don't want to call it the rookie class, but the feeder class. You have guys in their 30s. I mean, he's the same age as Eli Tomac and still racing, the 16, 17, 18-year-olds. But I don't know. It's one of those things to me. This seems stupid. Why not just get the surgery immediately? Why waste the 2 months? I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys, though. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for Paula? Who do you think is going to win? Either the first round, the titles in general, whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.